Mumbai, a city that never sleeps, never slows, never stops, where chaos dances with dreams, and every street hums with story. But once a year, the city pauses, not in silence, but in devotion. Ganeshotsav begins and Mumbai transforms. A sculptor's brush, breathing life into clay. Each stroke carries a centuries of tradition, each hue a prayer. The idol isn't just made, it's born. Across the city, the stores bloom with divinity. Rows of Ganeshas, small, grand, serene, blessing loving avatars in clay. Families gather, hearts full, eyes searching for the one who will grace their homes, their hopes, and their hearts. On the second day itself, and just as he arrives, he also leaves. Visarjan begins. In quiet corners of homes, tears mix with chants. The clay returns to water. The cycle continues. A farewell, not an end. It's more than a festival, it's a coming together of friends, families, and strangers united by faith and shared sense of celebration. Chants of Ganapati Bappa Moria echo through the streets, a promise to return. Celebrate again next year. creation, pandals rise like temples of imagination. Each and every road of the city, each and every corner of the city is transformed into a divine temple of Lord Ganesha. People gather to just see a glimpse of Ganesha. It's not only a festival of belief system or religion, mythology. Besides that, it is also a celebration of art. Each and every pandal has different theme. Each and every Ganesha is in a different avatar. There are different artists, sculptors who put their efforts. Also at a lot of pandals, they arrange cultural shows that displays incidents from Indian mythologies or mainly Maharashtrian cultures, and also it has some sort of teaching and learnings to be taken from that.
माझं पोट कसं भरायचं आणि माझ्या बायका पोरांची पोट कशी भरायची. नारायण नारायण.
Then comes the final day, Ganesh Chaturthi. Swell with processions, music and emotions. Drums echo, flags wave, devotees dance. Ganeshotsav isn't just a festival, it's Mumbai's soul, sculpted in clay, painted in color, and immersed in love. And as the idols meet the sea, the city lets go, not in the sorrow, but in faith. Because Bappa always returns and Mumbai always waits. The final day is the big day for every Mumbaikar to give the grand send off to Lord Ganesha and pray for him to return. And as we all say, गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या.